Here is a quick review on the Greenworks lawnmower. Before I show it to you in use, I just want to go over a few important things. This is where the battery goes. It is protected so it will not get damaged. This is where you would raise your blade height. This second option is the most recommended one. Here you are able to adjust the handles to your length. You just unclip this. This will adjust either high or low. This is where your bag is. You simply just lift this up and pull that right out. Very easy to use, very quiet. It is a great lawnmower. It does a phenomenal job and there has been no complaints using it. Now when I start it up, it will be a touch loud and then it will become very quiet. Here I will begin. You just push down this button, hold down the lever to start it, and then just hold the lever down when you are in use. As you can see here, my yard is very big and I'm able to get about 2.5 cuts with one entire charge. The battery life is absolutely great. I hope that this helps.